In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an internal note in Zendesk. Let's face it, we've all been there, writing out a note in Zendesk thinking it's perfect, only to realize that something needs to be clarified or corrected. Maybe it's a typo. Maybe you left out a key detail, or perhaps further insight led you to reconsider the initial content. Whatever the reason, don't worry. Fortunately, Zendesk provides a straightforward way to handle this by adding a new private comment to the existing note. Here's how you can do it. Start by logging into your Zendesk account and navigating to the ticket where the original internal note was added. This is important because it ensures that you're editing the correct information and maintaining a clear line of communication within the context of each ticket. Once you're in the right ticket, you'll be able to see all previous internal notes and public comments. Take a moment to review the original note that needs editing. Read through it carefully to determine exactly what needs clarification or correction. It's important to be thorough at this stage to ensure that all necessary changes are addressed. Now, you'll want to draft a new internal note that corrects the original content. In your new note, clearly reference the specific aspect of the original note that needs updating. This might include quoting specific sections or pointing out certain details that were initially incorrect or unclear. Next, state the correction or clarification clearly and concisely. Let your focus be on clarity and brevity, making it easy for your team to understand the adjustments. Remember, the goal is to ensure that anyone who reads the updated information will have a complete understanding and won't be misled by the previous inaccuracies. After hammering out your corrected note, find the Add a Private Comment section within the ticket. You'll see this as a space typically located below the existing comments. Go ahead and paste or type your revised note there. If necessary, mark your original note for redaction to prevent any confusion going forward. This step is particularly useful if the original content contains sensitive information or if there's any potential for misunderstanding due to the initial error. To do this, use the Mark Text for Redaction tool within Zendesk. This feature allows you to obscure parts of the original note, ensuring that only the corrected version is visible and available for reference moving forward. Finally, take a moment to review the new private comment you've added. Double-check for any new errors or omissions. Once you're satisfied with the content, go ahead and hit Submit to finalize your changes. Congratulations! You've successfully edited an internal note in Zendesk by adding a new private comment and, if necessary, redacting the original. By following these steps, you can maintain clear and precise communication within your team, ensuring that everyone stays on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.